Hey everybody, you're watching Jack the Lawn Care Traveler. Oh, before I start today's video, I just want to say one quick thing.
Alright, should we bundle up a little more? Did you leave that red thing upstairs, or is that still down here?
Yeah.
Let's grab something else. It's pretty chilly out there. Maybe a hat, or
Haha.
I think we need kind of like a warm hat, like see this one I'm wearing?
Oh.
Or what about another layer?
Of
Like
course.
this?
But that's not like that.
There you go. That's a good one. Yeah, probably fine. It's not too chilly out there.
Alright, before I start today's video, you guys, I just want to say that thank you, my most recent subscribers for subscribing, and yeah, if you guys are all interested in doing what I'm doing, living in my car. This video is gonna be a cold start of the car. Put you guys right there, okay? So I have to do my check. Oh, not the button. No, let's see. No. Yeah. That's it. I'll leave a link in the description below. And don't forget to hit the like button. Alright, with that said, start this beast. Bringing my two birds with me. And Danny, yeah, make yourself a home.
Do you know how to do it? There you go.
Waiting for Perry.
Oh. You see that over there?
What?
It's giving him as a message that there might be some low tire pressure.
Uh-huh. Well, go. I didn't think of the car.
It's great.
Alright, so you guys, come with me. Oh, pen. And my keys.
You get something else?
This is my pen that I got.
There you go.
Alright, guys. The moment y'all been waiting for. Oh. Let's get climbed. Let's get climbed. Alright. Oh. Oh yeah. Like I said, if I'm going to put a link in the description below if you guys are interested in doing something similar to this. Hey guys, right here, so you can see. Hopefully the camera won't fall. It's pretty, guys. We're in my car. Writing my life story. I'm gonna put you guys right there. You can see me. You still see me. Alright, so I'm doing now. Making a place for my legs. So, if I just decided to sleep here tonight. Oh, yeah, that won't work. Where did my pen go? I just had my pen with me. Had it a second ago. Keys right here.
Is that how you're gonna lay in here?
Yeah, where did my pen go?
I want to know. Is it in? I don't know.
Uh-oh.
Put it in your pocket, right?
I'm not sure. Oh god. Oh, I didn't. Oh, pen. Oh.
It's gotta be right around here somewhere. Bring it back.
On there. Right here. So I am by myself in my car. Guys, I love it. This will be good, Peach. As I said, in 4 years, this will all be a home. My home. Haha. I'm just gonna be sleeping, cooking my food. Food I catch, food I eat. Haha. I might beg you guys, because I'm a lefty, and, you know. For a second. Alright, so. Oh, my experience. I like this. I like it. Obviously not as comfortable at night, but you know, guys have to be. Oh, sorry guys. Gonna have to be something I can get used to, you know. It's fine. Alright. I'm not gonna put the names of the people. You know, pretty much know. That sentence. That's probably good. Really good. Very informative. Haha. Alright, guys. Now the moment you all been waiting for. The story of my life in the car. That's all I was there for a second, I didn't. Oh. Quite a long. Sorry, guys. Just place my pen. There it is. Haha. Oh, hang on, guys. Okay. No, the best place to put a sticker. I'll put it right here. Right on the radio. Oh, sorry, guys. See you there. Alright. Hold on, guys. So I can talk about pocket. That good. So, as probably you guys know, I'm gonna be living in the backseat of my car full time in 4 years. Gonna be bed, metal mattress. Should be comfortable. Should be good. Should be good. Stove will go there. Piano will go on top. Clearly, rack will go on top as well, or actually close to it. This entire seat will come out, and there will be storage in here for food and water. This entire seat will also come out. The seat will stay in. Also somehow come out and put some storage for snacks and stuff in there. I'll put a safe in there for my passport. And the driver, me, will go there. I got this fixing my hat real quick so you guys can see me.
How you doing in here?
Good.
Good.
Want to go to Dorothea?
Yeah, well, we could do that today.
Or Facebook Trails?
Yeah, we could do like the south side of the south loop.
Yeah.
That could be fun. We
What?
did the north loop yesterday.
Want to try out my car or take your car?
Oh, we'll take the cheese wagon.
This is a cheese wagon. Oh, your cheese wagon.
Yeah, we'll take my cheese.
No, guys, I have to go. But like I said, if any of you guys are at all interested in doing something like this, doing something like I'm doing, living in the backseat of my car, I will leave a link in the description below of the stuff you need. Plywood, wood, and a good friend. I don't have any of that except one, a good friend. But I don't have wood or plywood. That's okay. I could probably get some. But yeah, guys, peace.